Hello guys, welcome back to another video of A&A Driving School. So if some of you have failed your driving test this time and your result could help you understand where you need to learn and practice more. So the next list that I'm going to talk about is the top 10 reasons of failing the driving test. And this can also help you understand the common fault and the skills that you need to avoid them. So first of all, what people do is the first mistake what people make is not making effective observation at the junctions. Guys, whenever you are approaching the junctions, you need to make sure you do your effective observation. The second mistake that people do make is that they don't use the mirrors properly. They don't check the mirrors according to the requirement. If you are turning left,